Did you know? For Ryanair had an emergency landing flight in the airport and crashing the plane as it died, and in the crash of the planes and then an emergency landing, the passengers, there's on board injuries to passengers, and then Ryanair 9202 Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Some of my accidents, the airport, the passengers for Rome Air, Roma, Roma, the passengers, the Ryanair, and Lion Air, Ryanair, Lion Air, Ryanair, Lion Air, Ryanair, the passengers, the flight, the injuries, the passengers, and evacuated close. Evacuated closer. So now the flight attendant and make a flight. So now guys, still take the emergency to flight. Thank you guys for watching the video. Be subscribe, like videos, and subscribe for the flight to the next one.